how to do picture-in-picture on TikTok. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now, go over to any reel and tap and hold the screen. Over here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on Picture-in-Picture as shown. Picture-in-Picture mode is now successfully turned on. Now, close your TikTok application. As you can see, the video is still playing here in the Picture-in-Picture mode. Following these steps, you can easily do picture-in-picture on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.